guys, and welcome back to Crafty Quilting Designs. I hope you're well and having a beautiful day wherever you are. So today it is Thursday morning here in Australia and it is 10:41. So today I thought I'll show you a quick, really 5-minute project that you can turn into a big beautiful quilt. The blocks is going to come up really nicely and quick and super big, and it's going to look as though you've spent loads of time doing something, making this quilt and working so hard, when in reality you haven't. So what we're going to do is make a disappearing 9-patch twice. So it's going to be a double disappearing 9-patch. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to turn this project into a table runner. I'm only going to do 3 blocks. Okay, I'm not going to rush you or take you through a detailed video because it's going to be a very short one. So I think you will get the idea once I show you the second orientation. Okay, the blocks come up really big, so you can make a quilt fast, super fast, as I like to say, and it would look as though you spent lots of time cutting small pieces and connecting the fabrics together, when in reality you haven't. So let's jump right into it. Oh, I forgot to tell, there will be a pattern for you to download, but please buy the pattern if you would like to make the project and help support the channel. Every little helps. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so this is my 9-patch here. What I would like you to take note is of the colors and how I have placed them. That's really important. Okay, once I've made my subcuts, which I have already, I'm going to separate them, and I'm going to use my same background color, and I'm going to add them in and turn it into a 9-patch yet again. All right, so from a 9-patch you get your 4-patch, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take my squares and add them in as normal. Like so, and I'm going to put a different color in the middle, and again I have another 9-patch. Let me lift the camera so you can see it properly. All right, so that is your 9-patch. So I'm going to make another set of subcuts, and I'm going to change the orientation also. All right, so now I have already made the subcuts and I have formulated this layout here. There are other variations that you can do, and I'll put in a little link for that, or I'll put it in the pattern. Okay, so I'm going to stitch this all together now, and then I'm going to make it into a table runner, as I said before. But this is the layout. But let me point out for you the first cut. So that's your first 9-patch here, and this is your second. All right, so you have a double 9-patch. All right, so the blocks are done. I've made 3, as I said, it's for a table runner, and I've literally just basted it together. So I'm going to now quilt it, and then I'll show you the completed outcome. All right, let's talk seriously now. This double 9-patch block is something to be serious about. This is it. This is beautiful, guys. This really is. I mean, this looks like I have been cutting small pieces of fabric for ages when I haven't. As you know, you saw when I did it. This is just simply gorgeous. For the squares, I used scraps, and the rest of the fabric was fat quarters. So the background fabric here and on the other one were fat quarters. Amazing, amazing, simply amazing. Double 9-patch, beautiful. And as I said, there are other layouts. You don't have to use this one. This is stunning. The colors alone is just vibrant, summery. You will definitely have people asking you about this. It's so beautiful. It really is. It's something, it's just so simplified, but yet it works. On the back, beautiful, look at that. You can use that side as well if you wanted to. The borders, again, I love the fabric that I've chosen. It just really complements the whole tone of this table runner. Everything comes together really nicely. Let's move this out of the way so you can see it in its entirety. Just simply gorgeous. And I just did a meandering all over. So beautiful, isn't it? The colors alone in the fabrics are definitely something to speak about. Just so beautiful. Really, really lovely. This was very quick to make. I started this morning. It is not even the end of the day. I think it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. I started probably around 9 o'clock. I stopped, had some lunch, soaked my feet. But this is gorgeous, guys. This is really gorgeous. So quick, so simple. If you wanted to make this into a quilt, I would add all of that into the pattern for you, so you have all of the details. But this is just one row. You can make your rows 4, do 5 rows, and you've got a big, beautiful quilt. And as you can see how big the blocks actually come up. Very gorgeous, guys. Really, really gorgeous. The complements of the tones of the colors just really play off with each other really nicely. I was a little bit worried because I felt probably the green here was a little bit too strong, but it worked out. It looks really gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. So I hope you will be inspired to try this out. It's a beautiful, simplistic pattern. You can make it into a quilt. You can do a table runner like I did today. You can do a table topper. You can even make a baby quilt with this pattern. It is just so simple. It's so lovely. Really, really works. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below. Give me a feedback and a comment about the pattern. Have you heard of the double 9patch before? Have you tried it? And if so, did you find it difficult? Okay, did you enjoy the process? Because I know I certainly enjoyed this. It was so quick to make these blocks. I reckon it took me 5 minutes because they are part of my 5-minute blocks. So well done, guys, for listening for so long and watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye for now, and happy quilting.